Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to solve exercise 1.1 in page number 7. First question is find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. First question is 3a plus 25 is equal to b2. So we have to find out the value of a and b in this question. So what can be the value of a? A plus 5 we get a unit digit 2. Okay, from here we are writing a plus b. So it is the addition problem. We know a plus b, we will get unit digit as 2. So by this we are solving and finding out that a equal to 7. So a 5 plus what if we do, we will get 12. It is 7. So that's why we are writing 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Okay, then the value of b. So what can be the value of b? 3 and 5 is already there in the question, and one more 1 will be carried over from the previous addition, is it not? So in 12 it's leaving a carryover, that is added to 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that's why we are getting 6 here. So this gives the answer as a equal to 7 and b equal to 6. Then next question, 4a plus 98 equal to cb3. Okay, so a plus, here also the problem is addition, a plus 8, that's why we are writing a plus 8 equal to 3 in the unit digit. Okay, already 8 is greater than 3, so it is surely going to have a carryover. By that only we are coming to a conclusion that it is 13. Okay, so 8 plus what if we do, we will get 13, that's 5. Okay, so that's why we are writing 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Okay, then now a value we are finding out is as 5. Then coming to b and c, the value of b and c equal to 1 carried on, because 13 means that 1 will be carried over, right? So that 1 carry on plus 4 plus 9, it's already there in the question. Okay, one more 1 will be carry on, so 4 plus 9 plus 1 equal to b. Okay, we are finding out it to be 14. So 4 is b and 1 is c, correct? So a equal to 5, b equal to 4 and c equal to 1. Understood? Then next problem, it's a multiplication problem. The previous two problems are addition, this problem is multiplication. So 1a into a equal to 9a. Okay, so first we will take units place. A into a if you do, we have to get a. The rough I have written. Okay, so all 1 to 9 I have written. So a into a, that's why I wrote 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1 and 2 into 2 equal to 4, like that I have written till 9. So what a value if you give, it will give the same value again as the unit place. Understood? So 1 is that such a value, or 5 into 5 if you do, it is 25. Here also again unit place is 5. Or 6 also 6 into 6 equal to 36. So that is also giving units place as the same number. That's why, so a value can be any of these three, either 1 or 6 or 5. Okay, so let us find for 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1, and it is not giving you any other 9 as the answer. Okay, so that is not worked out. So then 5 let us take. 1 5. Okay, here in question you have 1a, no? So that's why you are writing 1 5 15 into 5 equal to 75 and not 95. Okay, so this is also then wrong. Then take 6. 1 6 into 6, so it is 96. Okay, so this is giving the equal answer like the question 9a. Okay, so 6 is the correct answer. So a value is 6. Moving to next one, AB plus 3 7 equal to 6A. So 3 plus A equal to 6. We are starting from here. Okay, so 3 plus A equal to 6. So A value is 3. With carry on it will be having, because already 7 is here, so it's a bigger number, so carry on will be there. So with carry on we are taking it as only A value as 2. So 1 will be carried on and 2 value will be the value of A. Okay, now now 7 plus B equal to a number with unit place 2. Okay, so because just now we found out A equal to 2. So that's why we are writing B plus 7 equal to unit place 2, that is any unit place but 12 we are taking. Okay, so B plus 7 equal to 12. So B equal to 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Okay, this is how we are solving this problem. Then fifth problem, AB into 3 equal to CAB. Okay, so 3 into B, if we do means again B we are getting as answer. Okay, so let's do in the rough column and see what and all will give like that. Okay, so 0 into 3 equal to 0. This is also correct answer only. Or coming to 5, so 5 into 3 equal to 15. Again in units place it is giving the same number, so either it can be 0 or 5. So first let us take it as to be 0. Okay, so 3 into A, so next number we are taking 3 into A equal to CA. Okay, so 3 into A is just now we find out to be 5. Okay, so 5 equal to 15. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. Thus A equal to 5 and C equal to 1. And already we found out B equal to 0. So A is 5, B is 0 and C equal to 1. Then next problem, AB into 5 equal to CAB. Okay, first we are taking 5 into B. Okay, first units place only we are taking 5 into B equal to B. So again same rough column, if you check means 0 and 5 will be giving the units place as same number. So 5 into A equal to CA. Okay, or 5 into 5 we take means it is 25. Only possible when B equal to 0. Okay, thus A equal to 5 and C is equal to 2. So B already by taking 0 only we got this answer. So B value is 0. Then seventh one, AB into 6 equal to B. 3 times B it is giving answer. So B into 6 equal to B. So B value, if we take 4 by trial and error method only, how we did in the previous problem and all, like that only we are coming to know that if we put 4 means it is giving the same unit place as 4. Okay, so 6 into 4 equal to 24. Again in units place it is giving 4. So we are checking with that. So next 6 into A we have to do and answer BB it is giving. Okay, so 6 into 7 it is 42 and one more carry on from the previous multiplication 2 is there, so it is giving 44. So we are coming to the conclusion B is equal to 7 and B as 4. Next problem, A1 plus 1B equal to B0. Okay, so 1 plus B equal to 0. To 1 what if we add, it will give us units place 0. 9. Okay, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, no, so in the units place we have 0. So that's why we are coming to conclusion B equal to 9. Then that 1 will be carried on to the next addition. correct? So a plus 1 plus 1, already a plus 1 is there in the question, and the carry on is also coming, so with that we are getting b value as 9. Okay, so this is how a value is 7 and b value is 9. Next one, 2ab, ab 1 we are adding, so that by that we are getting answer b 1 8. Okay, so b plus 1 equal to 8 we have to get. So b, what number if we give, it will result in 8. So it is 7. So if we add 7 plus 1, it is 8. So we are coming to the conclusion b equal to 7. Then next one, a plus b equal to 1. Okay, so units place it is giving 1. So it should be 11 only. So a plus b equal to 11. Just now we found out b as 7. So if you substitute in that, it will give you a plus 7 equal to 11, a equal to 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Okay, then it will have a carry on 1, then that carry on will go to the next one. So that we will have next last column I am saying, to 1 plus 2 plus a equal to b. Is it not correct? Because from the previous calculation you got one carry over 1. So 1 plus 2 plus a equal to b. Okay, so by solving that you will get a equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Okay, so hence a is a is 4 and b equal to 7. So last one, I'll give you as your homework, but solution is here, but you solve by yourself and find out what answer you're getting, then check with this answer. Okay, you do as homework in your classwork itself. You have to copy all the problems in your classwork, and 10th one you do by yourself and check with this answer whether you're getting the same answer. Thank you children. That's all for this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.